Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Man, sorry, I'm still sweaty. Whew. Man, what a shoveling session. I'm shoveling. Yeah, there's a lot of snow, man. A lot of snow here. Whew. To be honest, it's been a while. I didn't see that much snow. Crazy. But hey, enough talking. Welcome. Welcome for new followers. So if you're new here, welcome. This show is called Forex Talk Over a Beer for a reason, because we're going to be enjoying a nice little drink and we're going to be breaking down some charts, okay? But first thing first, do make sure to subscribe to the channel. Activate notification is probably the most important thing, because I never go on live at the exact same time. Because usually I go on around 6 p.m. here, but snowstorm happened, so I'm late, you know. And welcome back for the existing followers. So if you're here, as you're coming in, make sure to smash the like button. This is the only way we can get the algorithm going to help more traders. Okay, so hopefully everybody's doing great. How's your week so far? Let me know in the chat where you're from. Is it your first time? Let's have a chat together. Let's have a chat together, and I'm gonna give you some trade ideas plus a lot of action, man. I had like three dogtail setup trades, which were amazing. One at break even and two very good ones, if I'm not wrong. I had another trade. Anyways, a lot of stuff's happening right now. There's a lot of volume, a lot of vitality. Thank you to Mr. Trump to make a lot of things move like crazy. But yeah, first thing first, before we start with the charts, let's not break down, but let's open up this baby here. Here we go. And if you don't have your drink right now, run to the kitchen, run at your bar, run whatever you hiding your beer or vodka, or I don't know what you guys drinking. Maybe it's a morning at your place. Maybe you're having orange juice, mimosa, I don't know, something like that. All right, guys. So, okay, hold on. Let me wait for a second here. So, let me see the chat here. Who we have? We got Raf. Good evening, boss. Ding dong. Hello, buddy. Oh, by the way, I'm getting close to get a date for the boot camp, okay? I took a look today. I just need to figure out a couple of things, because we are probably going to Mexico soon, me and my wife. So just want to figure out the exact date, and we're going to do the boot camp right before leaving or something like that. So I'm getting close to release the date. So make sure to, if you want to secure a spot, let me know. It's going to be a private group, 12 people max. So yeah. So, all right. All right, guys. Cheers. Okay. You're in? All right. So don't forget to send me, I don't know if you already did it, but I need to check my list. But if you didn't, send me a DM on IG or Discord, whatever. And let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Oh, let's get the banner going, too, so I don't get in trouble here. Here we go. Perfect. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is GJ. All right, let's start with GJ. So GJ overall trend on the weekly time frame was bearish, right? So we were bearish. Oh, let me delete this. Here we go. So bearish on the weekly time frame, and looks like we got the pullback now, pretty much around the weekly golden zone. Are we? Oh, we're just at the safety net right here. Okay. So this is probably around the last area where I would take a trade to the downside here on GJ, especially at this daily right now. I mean, it's super high, right? Super high here. I'm pretty sure we're past the safety net. Let me just double check that. What the hell is going on? Okay. So let me check here. Yeah, we're past the safety net here. So if this is today candle, which is Thursday candle, doesn't close under the safety net, I am so not interested. Okay. All right, so now I can delete that. It's irrelevant now. We can also delete the major QP later. We already also passed, is that weekly area of interest or daily? Weekly, okay, so we can leave it there. And what about the daily here? Did we have an area of interest here? No. Okay, cool. Sorry, man. Talking to myself for 1 second. Don't worry, I'm not crazy. By the way, guys, do not forget to smash the like button. Oh, shit, I forgot to do something here. Hold on. Let me do something here on my channel, because I think I forgot something. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be be right back with you. What did I do? Okay, I think that works. Here we go. Because I was not able to see the chat. Okay. I had to check on my other screen. Perfect. All right, now we're up and running. Cool. Okay. So that being said, I mean, on GJ, nothing very interesting right now as for a day trade or swing. But as you can see, I did a couple of dogtail setup here, which were pretty nice. The dogtail setup is based out of the H4 time frame. That's a scalp for me. It's basically always based on the same candle, which is the 9 a.m. candle right here. I wait for the wick up. Once we break the low of that wick, I get in with a fixed 15 pips stop loss, and that one was pretty nice. That one was like a 2.5. This one was crazy. Whoops, is that the one from yesterday? No, the one from yesterday was even crazier. Like this one was like a 2 to 1. This one, actually no, I think this one I closed at break even. Hold on, let me check my Discord. Is that the one? Let me check. Here I said, boom, boom, boom. No, here. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna regret this, but closing at BE at break even, that is on the 11th, so meaning that's Tuesday. So, and the day after on Wednesday, I'm like, F you, GJ.
Oh, I missed it by a fraction of a second.
So we close at 35 pips, and the only one day that I usually always leave a small runner to see where it goes. The only one day I didn't leave a runner because I thought we were like high enough. This shit took off like if I would have hold that one, that would be like, that would have been crazy. Holy fuck. Anyways, still happy with that 35 pips though, ish. So yeah, that dogtail setup this week, crazy. I mean, just with that setup, I mean, like I'm up big time. So anyways, cheers guys. So the dogtail setup is pretty cool. That's definitely something we're gonna review also more in details in the boot camp. All right, so now let's take a look at Euro CHF. Okay, so Euro CHF, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. See my note here. We'll see if it's still relevant. 2 time frame in sync. Wait for H4 SOS. Let's take a look. So here on the weekly time frame, we got nice pullback here at this weekly / daily area of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone, which is also major QP. Damn, that's a lot of confluence. Now, if you look at the daily time frame here, we are also bullish. Nice. Okay, this is beautiful though. This is actually beautiful. So I would love to see this candle tomorrow, like close like small body candle. Monday, nice engulfing, and we can write it up. That would be great. That would be the best, you know, but we never know. We never know how that's gonna happen. But still, if the 4 hour give us like a switch of structure here, so I'm thinking about like something like this, break above here, retest this area to go up. That would be what I want to see. But again, I don't trade what I want to see. I trade what I see, you know, so that's the difference. But hopefully this can happen. That'll be great. So until then, sit on your hand and wait, okay? But that's the trade idea for your CHF. GCAD, basically, by the way, guys, I look like I'm going fast right now because tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but it's going to be crazy in the restaurant, so I'm like, man, fuck it. We're going tonight. So, yeah, so that's why I'm going a little bit fast here. But, hey, if you have any question, by the way, guys, I want to take time with you. So, do not be shy. Stop me. Ask question. This is the only reason why I do this here is for you guys. I don't need to do that. I mean, yes, I want to do it because I want to help people, but I do not need to do it, okay? So, just want to make it clear. I'm doing it to help. So, please, if you have any question, do not hesitate, okay? That being said, now we're looking at a 4 hour time frame. Let me recap here. The date is bullish. We got a nice pullback at the major QP. Look at this, sitting on it pretty nicely. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is now bullish. Oh yeah, I wrote here, missed the first entry, which was probably here in that pullback. And just for learning purposes, let's go check if there were an entry. So here price was bullish, no engulfing. We went bullish here, no engulfing. So no entries on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. So 30-minute, we have the pullback here, meaning that the 30-minute went bearish. Boom, 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 boom. And we only flipped back bullish here. So the only way you would have been able to enter here that makes sense would be like on this candle, which is at 1 a.m. But to be honest, I don't know if I would have entered here. I think like if I was watching the market, I would probably wait for like a little pullback. Oh, actually, we kind of retest this area. So yeah, maybe I would have been in here. Yeah, because like you're retesting this level here. So yeah, it can be an entry here. But, you know, anyways, I'm sleeping at 1 a.m. So, but if you guys were trading London session, it can be a decent entry. Not the best, to be honest. I don't, yeah, not the best. And just for fun, would you take profit? Let's say that you get in here. That means that you're putting your stop under that structure. Plus 5 pip, that's 29. Here we go. So here, nope, not even close. Oh, and you would have been stopped. Oh shit, yeah. So, all right, so nothing that made sense here. Okay, so now let's go back. And the reason why I'm doing this, again, for learning purposes. So let's delete this. Okay, so now what did I wrote here? Wait for H4, high low potential. We add the high low potential here if you see all those wicks. I said now wait for lower time frame switch of structure. Need 30-minute switch of structure. So let's go see that. 1 hour, we are already bullish, so that's great, but no engulfing here. So nothing made sense. Oh, actually maybe here. Yeah, 11 a.m. here. But, oh yeah, remember the 30-minute was bearish. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's why I didn't like it here. So, but here we have an elbow though. Yeah, I think I fucked it up here. Oh, no, because here, all right, cool. So sorry guys. So here, so we went boom, boom, and boom. So this is our new lower low. Once we broke and close above here, we flip back bullish. Now you wait for the retest. You got your engulfing candle right here. So that can be an entry at 2 p.m. But 2 p.m. is usually not the best time to enter a trade. Usually like volume is quite low. So yeah, definitely not the best. But that is on Thursday. Yeah, that's today. Okay, great. So yeah, so technically now here, oh actually let me update my chart here. So now we are, so we went bullish here and here. Perfect. So let me switch those lines to blue. Here we go. And here we go. All right, so now what am I missing for this trade? Let's see. Yeah, I don't like this area now. Let me check the 2 hour. Let me think here for 1 second, guys. I kind of like it and don't like it. Let me explain you why. Here, if I look at this 2 hour time frame, this looks nice. This looks pretty nice. We got a nice pullback here. We got a nice engulfing right here, you know. So here, right away, that can be a nice entry, okay? My problem is here, you know. Now, if you look, this is exactly the same area we reject, and look what happened after. Bam, we melted hard. And look at this now, bearish candle here. So I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold on that one. I'm going to wait and let's see if 1 hour. Yeah. 30-minute. Yeah, fuck it. I want to see a new higher high and a higher low on 30-minute or 1 hour. And this is the only way I'm going to be interested in that one. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So something like this to retest this area to go up. So that will be my idea. Cheers, guys. All right, let me check the chat for 1 second. By the way, guys, do not forget to smash the like button. We should be 100% like ratio here, so help me out. Definitely interested, Raf. Don't forget to send me. I think you already sent me a DM, right? I took GCAD for buys. Took 1% risk at 1 hour engulfing. GCAD. All right, we'll go take a look at it right after. I think GCAD is GCAD is the one I was talking about just now, right? Oh yeah, okay. So hold on, with me. Let me see. Took 1% risk at the 1 hour engulfing. Oh, okay. So let me see here. So I'm guessing this one right here at 11 a.m. There we go. All right, cool. That's what I thought. It makes sense, to be honest. You know, at that moment, it made sense. Now, that's why now I'm hesitant now, because I already missed it. If I wouldn't see it, I would probably risk a low risk, like a 1% too. So I think that's a good thing. Now we're just having hard time like breaking this level right now. But I do think it makes sense though. It definitely makes sense. So I would not be mad being in this trade with 1% and getting a loss. I will not be mad about it because a lot of things make sense. Okay, so don't be hard on yourself if it doesn't go your way. But it does look good, to be honest. Okay, it's just now at this time, at the exact same time right now, there's no way I can enter, right? Like, so I'm gonna have to wait on the next opportunity. But I think this, yeah, makes sense. All right, Euro GPY. So good job, by the way, Rev. All right, so now weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we are bearish. Daily time frame, we are also bearish. Nice pullback at the second area of interest. I don't know if you guys remember, but we looked at Euro GPY like a week ago, and I was actually looking for counter trend trade to reach this area or this area. I don't know if you guys remember if you were here, but look at the stream 2 streams ago, and you'll see me talking about it. And this shit it happened exactly like I wanted. The only thing is I never had an entry to go in. You know, it sucks, but this is exactly what I was expecting, and it happened. So now let's delete this area of interest because we passed it. Let's delete this major QP. We passed it. Let's delete this because that was like, what, a week ago or 2 weeks ago. So I think we already broke that down. So let's clean up the chart a bit. All right, here we go. Perfect. Okay, so now what's next with this pair? Because it looks good now. Now it looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So nice, decent pullback at a major QP 160, weekly area of interest. Beautiful. Daily time frame, we are also at area of interest on the daily, which is also the daily golden zone. Yesterday closed doji. Perfect. Like, everything makes sense now. The only thing that sucks is this H4. So now, the best thing to happen, you know, if anyone wants to take this trade, the best thing that can happen would be for price to do something like this, whatever, something like this, boom, break under, retest, whatever. I did like mini, but you get the concept, right? So we just need to create a new higher high here, and you have a higher low, higher low here. You break under, you flip bearish, and you go, okay? Because if we have to wait, like, here to break this level, man, it sucks because our RR is going to be like not nice. Like, if you enter like somewhere in here, the fuck? There we go. So if you enter somewhere in here, look at it. You are at the daily support, which totally sucks. You know, this is beside the point, right? So if we have to wait for the 4 hour to break there, we're screwed. You know, like, the trade idea doesn't make sense anymore, right? So, I mean, yes, I mean, we still have, like, because we're going to be breaking down this area too, but at that moment, it would not make sense at all. So the only way to trade that one will be, hopefully, the H4 can create a new higher high. Actually, I'm going to put an alert here so I can keep track. Some say H4 creating new higher high. Perfect. Excellent. Obviously, I got my alert here down here, but I'm crossing fingers that it doesn't go there because it would sucks. All right, so USD GPY now. Cheers, guys. Looking at the weekly time frame, we are bearish. We already had a nice trade on USD GPY a couple of days ago / last week, I think. But let's see if we can get some more here. Weekly bearish. Nice pullback on the daily. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful pullback. Daily area of interest, daily golden zone, major QP, everything made sense. We just established resistance. Solid, big bearish candle. Not engulfing though, but a solid one. All right, so everything makes sense on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So far needs a switch of structure also. So again, this is the same situation as Euro GPY. I would prefer for price to reverse now to the upside, create a new high, and so we can have a nice trade here. So let me create an alert here. Here we go. H4, creating new high. Same shit. So this is the exact same thing, okay? By the way, guys, you guys are super duper extremely quiet tonight. So what's going on, man? If you have any question, please stop me. If you have any pair you want to look at, also let me know. Because now I'm going through my little list here. But if you have a specific pair you want to know, or you want to take a look at, or a trade that you lost or you win that, I mean, you would like to have some explanation or help, let me know. All right, so weekly time frame here on GU. If you're looking, like every USD pair right now, I think is like getting a hit because the USD is tanking because Trump said some stupid shit out there. Again, I'm not doing politics, but said some crazy stuff out there during his speech this afternoon. And yeah, so I think the USD dollar right now is taking a big hit. But yeah, anyways. So that's GU, weekly time frame, bearish, nice pullback. Again, daily area of interest, weekly golden zone, major QP. Nice. Okay. Now let's take a look at the daily. Oh, look at this. Daily flipped bullish. Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. So let's modify that here. Perfect. Okay, so now this now just, yeah, so now I'm not interested in GU because I can do shit right now. I cannot take a day trade because like even if my H4 is bullish here, you know, even if my H4 and my daily are in sync, look at where we at on the weekly time frame. I'm at the area where I'm expecting rejection. So maybe it will continue up. And maybe that's going to be great for people who's going to take that trade. But I'm exactly at the area where I'm expecting rejection. So I cannot do anything with that. So I'm going to remove this from my list and later. Euro NZD. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. We are definitely bullish on the weekly. Nice pullback to the weekly area of interest, weekly golden zone. What did I wrote here? Re-enter with a H4 pullback. Oh yeah, because I already took that trade. Yeah. Where's my entry, actually? Oh, right here. Okay, cool. So yeah, that was a nice win. Oh yeah, that's the one I want to talk about. Oh shit, I almost forgot. All right, so let's break it down. Sorry guys, and that one went so fast. I had no clue that it would happen that fast, but hey, let's talk about it. Okay, so yeah, this one you definitely want to take notes. This one is pretty good. Okay, so we got a weekly time frame bullish, like I said. Nice pullback to the weekly area of interest, barely like touching, like very super close to the weekly golden zone. Do we have a major QP here? Right here, yeah, 82. So great. Let's take a look at daily. Daily was already bullish for a while, but it was ranging, right? Like that's why I didn't went full, like I didn't went sorry man, I'm looking for my English word right now. I didn't went all in that trade because of that shit here to the left, okay? So I took like a 1.5% risk on this one. So I took 50% of my usual basic risk, and that's the reason why, okay? So now if you look at the 4-hour time frame, when I took the trade, that was right here. If you look here, we went bearish, and yeah, from there to there, there to there. From here to here, we're still bearish here. You know, we're not bullish yet. Once we broke here and we closed above this resistance right here, we became bullish. Now, we had a nice pullback inside that H4 golden zone, and I took the entry right here, which is, if I'm not wrong, was it on the 1 hour? Exactly. You know, boom, look at this. Textbook. Text freaking book. Okay. So that was like, if I remember correctly, yeah, that was just before going to bed. Just before going to bed. I went to my chart, did my updates, and I was like, oh shit. To be honest, like I was this close to miss it. Like a couple minutes later or earlier, I went to bed and I would be missing that one. So that one, I woke up the next morning and it already hit TP. I was like, holy shoot. And the reason why I choose that TP, if I remember correctly, was based on the... Let me just double check here. I don't want to say anything stupid. Oh yeah, it was just before the 84 major QP. So if you see here, major QP right here. So I just put my TP right just before it because I wanted to make sure he hit. So he gave me like a 3.53 to 1. Which is beautiful. Honestly, if I was managing the trade and I was in front of the trade, to be honest, I would be removing my TP because I put my TP there because I'm going to bed. Okay, so so thanks for those emoji flying up right now. Thank you guys. So I actually placed my TP there before going to bed because I learned the hard way. If you want, a couple years ago, I was like getting in trades like before going to bed, waking up. It would have hit like a 3 to 1 or 2.5 to 1 and went straight back to my entry or my stop loss. And I look at it, I'm like, holy fuck, I'm so dumb. I didn't put the TP, you know. So I prefer getting hit on the TP than getting back to my entry at break even or even getting a stop loss, right? So, but if it was during the day, I would technically not put a fixed TP on that move because based on this move, I would target like this area right here for my first TP, you know. But, you know, it was like right here. So just before the major QP. So that one was beautiful. Really loved it. So again, you can do the math, 1.5 by 3.53. So pretty good. Now, if you look here, now that's why I said, all right, I'm willing to continue on that trend, right? So once you have a trend going and the opportunity presents itself, you might be able to re-enter, okay? But obviously, everything has to make sense. Now, my problem, I'm not going to lie, like this is the third weekly wick rejecting this area. So now this is kind of scary. But if tomorrow it closes like this engulfing, that looks super freaking awesome for next week, okay? So now if you look at the daily time frame, daily is still bullish no matter what because, I mean, the higher high is here. Let's take a look at H4. So that's why I said re-enter if we get H4 pullback. But you see this is when the higher high was here. So now higher high is here. So that would be like somewhere in here. But now I feel like H4 is going to go back bearish. H4 is going to go back bearish to give the daily pullback. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. So I don't think Euro NZD is going to be ready by tomorrow. I think that's going to be more next week. AUDCHF. Cheers, guys. By the way, guys, do not forget to smash the like buttons. I know that we're missing a couple people here, so let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay, so now let's take a look at this baby here. AUDCHF. It's in blue here. It's flag blue. That means it's not ready, but let's take a look at where we at. So on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Nice pullback to the weekly area of interest, weekly golden zone, major QP, all those confluences. Nice. Daily is bullish though. So that's why I said need daily SOS. Oh, so now we don't have any more 2 time frame in sync. So bearish, bullish, and bearish. Okay, so definitely not now. So I'm gonna remove that. Boom, later. Okay. All right, let's move on. NZD/GPY. So weekly is bearish right now. All right, nice pullback to the weekly area of interest. Same thing with the daily. Look at this. The daily people don't realize on NZD/GPY, but daily is bearish since when? Since July 24. So a long time ago. Look at this range now. Okay, so now let's take a look. Daily. Retest this area. Nice engulf, not engulf, sorry. Nice bearish, kind of small body candle. I like that. Okay, so I think we should be good to go to the downside. Now let's take a look at a 4-hour time frame. All right. Oh, sweet. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. Bearish. Nice pullback. All right. Let's just make sure I don't miss something here. So this is my reaction when I'm getting excited, and I think I saw something and there's might be something interesting. So I want to double check. Always double check to make sure like not missing anything. So let's put every confluence on the board here. So we got 87. Let's take our time, not rush the process. Let's put major QP right here. Perfect. All right, so we are at the weekly area of interest. We are at the major QP. I cannot use my fib yet because we don't have a support form. The only thing that I don't like with this is the week is ending tomorrow. If the week's ending tomorrow, what is the chance of this candle to retract all the way down tomorrow? The odds are pretty low. Meaning that next week, we can like fucking around here, create, sorry for the F-bomb. We can like create that doji kind of candle right here, you know, and continue down in 2 weeks. I don't know if someone's going to record that, but it's going to be on YouTube. Remind that if if you see this happen. But I would not be surprised, okay? I will not be surprised. But let's trade what we see. So what we see right now is we're bearish. We are rejecting this area. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish. We got a resistance form. Smaller body candle, rejecting major QP. Those area of interest right here. Perfect. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame went bearish, right? So we went bearish. I'm not counting this as an elbow because this is doji for me. This is a write-off candle. So I'm just going to flip this as a lower high. And this is going to become my new lower low. Now that we did form support, I'm going to use my fib right here. Boom, from there to there. Oops. There we go. And this is our H4 golden zone. And we are right in it. Oh, I'm might getting excited right here. Let's see. Boom. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So if I get in this trade, I will not be able to go all in, meaning like using my full risk because of this situation here. Because it's for sure, like next week, the beginning of the week, we're going to need to create a top wick first before coming down no matter what, right? So that's why I'm going to be careful on that one. But man, it makes sense. Let's take a look at the 1 hour kind of time frame now. So 1 hour, where's my lines? Damn. It's been a while. I didn't update that one. All right, so let's put those lines down here. Perfect. So now we went bullish here, from here to here, and we flipped bearish. Okay, so from here This is H1 lower high. Perfect. Oh, let's put that. Bring to front. Here we go. And this one is our new lower low. Perfect. Okay, even with that situation with the weekly candle, I'm gonna have no choice to flip this green. Oops, green I said. And put this on top. And GG is always on top because this is my main pair for scalping, so GG always stays on top. So NZD GPY, definitely I'm gonna be waiting for entry signal. Perfect. Perfect. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute, where's my lines? Right here. You see when I'm getting like focused, I'm so more calm. I don't talk as much. I do apologize. Or maybe you're happy because I talk too much. I don't know. Here, boom, boom, boom. Here, this is where our lower high, lower low, boom, boom, boom. All right, flip bullish. Perfect. All right, so this is our new, okay, so perfect. This is 30 minute bullish. Bring this to the front. Boom, there we go. And this is our new, is that an elbow right here? Yes. Perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 1 hour is bearish. So I'm gonna say here, waiting for entry signal, but be careful. 30 minute, still bearish. Would be better to have to wait for 30 minute SOS. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, that's good. All right, so let me see the chat here. I think I saw something popping out. Jacob, how you doing, bud? Jacob, I think you're the one who actually won a free bootcamp. Is that you? I think that's you. NZGPY decent. It gives you a red flag that daily fell to make lower low. NZGPY. Did we broke down NZGPY? Hold on. NZGPY. Where is it? Fuck, where's my NZDGPY? Oh, right. Oh, we are on it. Sorry, dude. All right, so let me check here. All right, so NZD, decent. It gives you a red flag that daily failed to make. Okay, let me check that before I say anything stupid. All right, so let's see daily. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, well, like I said earlier, I don't know if you just joined or you were there before, but this is clearly a mess here, you know, because we are bearish since July 2024, right? So this is clearly a mess, okay? So that's also one of the other reasons why I would not, you know, going full risk on that one, you know, adding to the fact that this weekly candle, you know, there's a small probability that it's going to retract all the way down, okay? But since it happened so far away, and now that we have a nice structure here, that's why I'm still willing to do it, you know? So yeah, but no, I mean, it's horrible. That daily time frame on NZDGPY, I'm not gonna lie, this is terrible, okay? All right, so now let's move on. It failed multiple times. If you zoom out, yeah, totally. Yeah, 100, and I would say like 2,000% agree with you. Yes, the chosen one. Yeah, man, you're the one who won. Nice. Okay, I've got an ad, so I didn't hear it. So, oh, no problem. Sorry about the ad, man. Damn it. Cheers, guys. All right, cool. So, let's move on. What time is it? All right, we're still good. We've got a couple of more minutes. Let me know, by the way, guys, if you have any pair you want to take a look at. Let me know if you have any questions. Smash the like button. What's going on with... Take your little finger here. Hit that mouse. Oh, elbow drop it. I don't know. Whatever you want. Well, do not break your computer, okay? You need it to trade. Okay, so now let's take a look at GA. GA, did we? Am I getting drunk here? USD GPY. Did we talk about it? I think we did. Sorry, ADHD just kicked in. Yeah, we talked about that one. UNZD, we talked about that one. All right, GA now. Oh, GA, we talked about that one clearly, or no? That was me doing homework. Did we do a GA? Chat, help me. Chat, did we broke down GA? Let me know. Chat, help me out here. Did we broke down GA? Need an answer. Chop chop. Not yet? All right, cool. Thank you, ding dong. All right, so weekly time frame is bullish. All right, so take I'm trying to talk too fast right now. All right, so we are bullish on the weekly time frame. Nice pullback to this weekly area of interest, which is also major QP. Weekly golden zone. Look at this area, man. This is solid. It's unfortunately I was not able to take any entries around here, but that would be the best. But unfortunately that didn't happen. Now if you look at the daily time frame, well, what the hell? We flipped bearish on the daily. What's going on here? Yeah, we did. Oh my god. So we need the daily to go. Oh yeah, okay. That's that pair. Sorry. Almost forgot. So this is something I've been talking about for like what, 2 weeks now? I think. I've been talking about this FE elbow that I don't like, and I usually don't count as an elbow. But I'm like, all right, if everything else makes sense, I'm willing to give it a try with a very small risk just to gather data and see if it would work in the future. So yeah, so that's the reason why it's purple. I never use purple. So those one are like kind of the shitty elbow. I should call it purple the shitty elbow structure. So anyways, so I don't really want to explain this too much. I already did on a stream before. I don't want to confuse people. I prefer to give you trade ideas that are more secured and safe. I'm not the kind of guy like other, I don't know, I don't want to get into this, but there's sometimes mentors or teacher, whatever you want to call them, that talk about trades that which doesn't align with what they should teach or should show, and they only show that for the fame, you know. So I'm not into this, so I think I'm just not going to break this down because I don't want you to risk anything. I want you to go on something that is more secure. That was a loss on NZD USD right here. Let's break it down. So here we are bearish on the weekly time frame. The reason why I took that trade to the upside, is that right? Yeah. I just want to make sure. The reason why I took that trade to the upside was the exact same setup as we spoke before for the other pair, which was, if I'm not wrong, NZD-GPY. I can't remember which one it was. Not NZD-GPY. Whatever. The one that I was talking about, like reaching the first area of interest or the second one and doing a counter trend trade. So that was the exact same idea. Unfortunately, that one didn't play out. So that was my one loss this week. So what happened here? All right, so we got the time frame bearish on the weekly. I'm expecting a pullback to this area or here. Okay, so I got enough room to go to the upside. Okay, so now let's take a look at what happened on the other time frame. Let's take a look at the daily. So the daily at that moment I took the trade was bullish and is still bullish. Okay, and you remember I said if I'm going in this trade, the only thing I don't like, and that's also why I didn't use a full risk on that one, it's because here we failed on creating a new higher high. And as you can see, most of the time that we create a new higher high, we have a pullback, we have a push up and fail. Most of the time it will flip in a reverse direction. But I decided to take it either way because the 4 hour makes sense. We had a nice, let me show you. So we had a nice push up, creating a new higher high. and all of this is inside the same structure. We went down to the H4 golden zone, and here, if you look on 1 hour or 30 minute, I can't remember. Yeah, right here on 1 hour, we add a nice. Hold on, was it on the 30 minute, or was it on the 2 hour? Ooh, maybe it was on the 2 hour. Sorry, guys. Where was it? Did I go on the 4 hour? No, hold on. Stand by, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to give you the right answer here. Was it on, what the? Hold on. Is my entries wrong? Oh, my entry is wrong here. That's why. Yeah, there's no way I enter 11. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to figure it out in my MT4. Sorry, guys, I don't want to confuse you. My entry is wrong here, but I would guess I'm gonna have to go check on my. So if you want to know exactly, I'm guessing no. Okay, it might make sense here before going to bed. Yeah, I saw that in golfing, I guess, and I probably got in. I don't know. I'm gonna have to review that one. I don't want to bullshit you guys. Okay, I want to be straight up. So if you want to know more about that one, please DM me. I'll send you the full breakdown in real. I just want to make sure. Okay. But no matter what, I took a loss on that one. It didn't play out, and it's part of the game. Sometimes it's gonna play out, sometimes it don't. It comes down to the fact that this daily failed on creating a new high, and the risk is always higher taking that kind of trade. Okay, now it's going back my way. Great, awesome, but now I'm not touching it until we break above. Okay, the reason why I put it blue here is just because I wanted to break it down in front of you guys, but I kind of lose my entry here. All right, so let me see here. But no matter what, it's a loss. ADCHF. No, we said no. NZDCH. Oh, that looks nice. What about the weekly? Oh, weekly is horrible. Oh my god, what a range on the weekly. But daily looks nice though. Daily looks nice. Maybe a day trade would be nice here. Yeah, only no time frame in sync. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. We need to go lower here. Perfect. This is the first area of interest. Second area of interest is going to be a little lower right here. So USD/CHF standby. Euro GBP. That one makes sense though. That one's nice. Okay, I like where we at. But the daily is bearish. Yeah, we need the daily to go back bullish. I would definitely not shorting here because we're super close to this area. But even there, I mean, you got a room. But yeah, no, only 30 pips ish. So no, I would not be interested in taking counter trend trade here. So yeah, no, gotta wait. ADUSD. We are bearish on the weekly time frame. We're getting inside that weekly golden zone though. Looks nice. Daily is bullish. Just created a new high. So that's great. That is great. Here we have an elbow. So I'm going to move my alert here. We're clearly super far to be ready, but I'm going to keep track on it. Yeah, that's not ready. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Yeah, I think the rest, yeah. So, I don't know. Maybe you guys have something specific to look at. Let me see. Let me see the chat. Okay, we're good. All right, excellent. All right, so I think that's it, guys. I'm going to be live once again on Tuesday morning around 7 a.m.-ish, 7:30. I don't know. I'm going to try to come actually maybe a little earlier starting next week. Maybe 6:30, 7, I don't know. Right now I'm coming in live around like 7:30, 8. But I want to come back earlier. So make sure to activate notification. Okay, so you'll know next time I go live. So wish you an amazing weekend, guys. Happy Valentine's Days for the one who's going to celebrating tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Trade safe. Don't forget, send me a DM if you want to be part of the next bootcamp. I'm about to release the date. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I see you on Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out.